Today we're gonna show you guys how to fix a rubber roof that's full of water.
All right, bye.
The 600 grand that we put in renovation on this building, we're able to take and strip out a lot of that, even though that was money we borrowed from the bank. We're able to immediately create a tax write-off by spending money. We're gonna go up on this roof. All right, look at all these roofs I see this big old roof. So guys, my guy Troy, he found the culprit, man, and guess what it was? A shoddy patch. I don't know who did this. We're gonna go back and we're gonna check our receipts, our work orders. I'm sure it was probably a company. This is probably a company. So our guys don't do work like this because they know how to do it. But when you hire companies, this is why you have to know the process. But when you get so big, you just can't check everything. Property managers are just busy running 100 miles an hour. But look at this here. Show them what you got uncovered, Troy.
And this is why you round these edges off too. You caulk these. Watch that joint right here. This is why this thing's leaking. Watch this. Look at that water pour out of there. See it right here? Because these should be rounded so that when you're walking up here, you don't peel these off when you kick them.
And this glue they use ain't the right glue. I mean, it's just, everything's wrong about this, man. This is off. Can you screw this down?
Yep.
So we don't lose that? Because
sure.
That's going to get watered right down into their unit. That's all going to have to be dried out. What are we going to do to dry that out?
I'm going to put some fans up here.
You're going to put fans up? Okay.
The only bad part is we got a storm coming later today.
All right, guys, so that's it, man. Y'all solving problems, man. Look at this. This is bad. Wrong type of paint. So you got to use oil based on that. Yeah. Hey. Love you, bro.
Hey, too.
See, this is the type of stuff that I deal with when they can't fix it, can't find nobody to fix it. I try to give the property managers support because they do an awesome job, but they don't know everything about construction. So,
What do you mean?